Hello, today we will explain how to use the powerful model GLM-5.1, which rivals Claude Opus 4.6 within Claude Code. We go to the settings.json file. You will find it inside your user folder. Let us show you where you will find it. First, we go to this PC, then we enter drive C. Then we go down until we find the users folder. Then you enter your user folder. Then you enter the Claude folder. And here we will find the settings.json file. Here it is. We open it. You will find it looking like this. Delete everything. Then paste these configuration codes. Only these, ignore those. I will put a link to the configuration file in the description for you to download. After we have placed the configuration file here, you must change one thing, which is putting in your API key. We go to the GLM 5.1 website. Search the internet for GLM 5.1. Click on this result, which is Z.AI, the company that released the GLM 5.1 model. Then choose API key. Here you must be subscribed to one of their plans. You won't be able to use GLM 5.1 unless you are subscribed to one of the plans. We go to the plans. Here they are. Monthly, quarterly, and annual options are available. You can subscribe to what suits you. Then after subscribing, we go to create an API key. After you have subscribed, you go here. Click create a new API key. Then give it a name, any name, click confirm, and then copy it from here. Go to the settings.json file configuration and paste it here. Then press Ctrl+S to save the file. We close it now. Now everything is ready. We go to Claude Code, open the command prompt. If you had a command prompt open for Claude before, you must close it and then reopen it to receive the new settings. Move to the project folder you want Claude Code to work on. Using the command CD, then the folder name. Write the name of your project folder. I will write project here because I have a working folder named project. Now we have moved to the folder. We now write the Claude run command, which is Claude. Here we press enter. Yes, I trust this folder. Now it's ready, as you can see. It's using the GLM 5.1 model. We write anything. For example, create a professional web interface. There it goes, working. This is how we finish making Claude Code use the GLM 5.1 model. If you want to return Claude Code to how it was before, all you have to do is revert the settings.json settings to their previous state by entering it, then deleting all of this, and copying just this and pasting it, then saving. This way you have returned to the previous mode where it uses models from Claude. That's all there is to it. Goodbye.